Hello guys, this is Manjusha. I am your data structure instructor. Today's session is about definition of the data structures and types of the definition. It means the classification of the data structures. Okay, let's see the definition of the data structures. The data structure is nothing but the organizing data in a efficient manner. It means the data is arranging the data which way you arranging the data in your computer. Okay, next, it also used for the processing, retrieve and storing of your data. It means when you store the data in your computer, which way you retrieved and organizing and processing in your data. Okay, the data is classified into two types. One is the linear and another one is the non-linear. This is the classification of the data structure. Okay, total classification of the data structures. First, let's see the linear. The linear means the data stores in the sequential memory locations. Okay, the data is stores in the sequential memory locations. And second one is the non-linear, which is the data is stored in the non-sequential or linear data structures. Okay, the data is not stored in the sequential order. The linear data structures is further classified into two types. One is the static and another one is the dynamic, which means static means when the data is fixed size. Do not change the value during the execution of the time. Dynamic means we want to change or allocated the items in the execution time. Okay, array, array is a collection of the similar elements which we want to store the continuous sequential order locations. Okay, dynamic means stacks, queues and linked list. Stack is nothing but the lost in first out. Which element is comes first, it out lost. It means let's see an example. Here the this box is containing the number of books. The first book is here and second book, third book and fourth book. Here the either lost, this book is the comes in lost, but this book is out from the first. This means the data stack data structures. Another one is the queue, which means first in first out nature, the queue. Let's see that. Okay, first in it is like that, which is comes first and is like a queue. We are seeing the queues of bus stands and movie theaters. This is the example of the queue. And the linked list means it is also the stores in the sequential locations. It contains the nodes, like nodes. Each node contains the two parts. One is the data part and another one is the address of the next node. Non-linear structures. Non-linear data structure means the data stores in the non-sequential manner or memory locations. It further divided into two types. It means one is the trees, another one is graph. We know that the tree is the collection of the nodes and vertices. Like tree means like this structure. This structure is graph. Graph is also nodes and collection of the vertices and edges. Collection of edges and vertices. This is for today, guys.